Hi, and welcome to topic 4.2, teaching presence. So what exactly is this teaching presence thing? Well, specifically, the community of inquiry describes it as the role of the educator to design, facilitate discussion, and instruct where needed in an online or technology-mediated course or educational experience. I take teaching presence a little bit differently, and I would also add that teaching presence really considers the teacher connecting with students. In my classrooms when I was a junior high and a high school teacher, when students would come in the classroom, a very mature, wise teacher once told me, sit at the front door of your classroom and welcome students in. Well, the reason why they said that is because you get a chance to chat with them. They know you're there, you're personable. In some sense, that's what teaching presence is as well. You can't be effective if, in fact, you're not present, if they don't see you as a person rather than just the challenge in online and remote learning. You're just a digital entity, right? This is just a recording. So how do you instill some sort of presence? Well, over the years, I've tried lots of different things in my videos. I actually do not write a script. This video isn't scripted either, because really I'm not doing much different than what I did in the classroom, which was start off my conversations with students at the beginning of the class. And if you think about it that way, students get to see who you really are. For me, I live out in rural Alberta. We got a lot of snow. I love being in the bush, not in the sense that I love wandering in the bush, but I love being in touch with nature because that's part of something that brings me a little bit of, I would say, serenity in my very busy life. So I like going out and standing in the bush, going and see my bison. Some of the bison are very, very unique in nature in that they have a symbiotic relationship with grasslands. And so that's always kept me very interested in animals and nature. And my bison will let me come up quite close. Anyway, back to teaching presence. I hope you have an opportunity to take a look at what we mean by teaching presence, and consider even the topic or the way of thinking of it like a teaching style. Can you describe what your style is or what you like to do as a teacher when you engage with students? Mine happens to be a little bit of video, and you can see by some of these little clips I'm showing right now, I've done little video clips probably for 10 years now on the Great Wall of China, from my field in numerous different weather conditions and farming activities. And I really think that gives people a sense that you're a real person. You're a teacher, and you have interests and things that you can talk to about them as well. The other part of teaching presence, live sessions. Can't beat those. The Zoom sessions really help now that we can see people a lot better than in the days when we could only use text. Anyway, hope you have a good opportunity to look at some of Garrison's work on teaching presence, because it gives you lots of understanding of what things teachers need to be concerned with in teaching presence. With that, see you online.